What's up everyone, Jose once again with PetRockMedia.com, and in today's video we're going to talk a little bit about a photo shoot and show you some sample pictures that we just completed on the Canon R5 with the 50mm lens and utilizing a brand new strobe that we just got into the studio, the Westcott FJ400. Let's talk about it. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is the type of content that you are interested in, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content to the channel. And when you do hit that bell icon, be sure you're clicking on all so that way you're given all updates, whether we post videos, content, to the community tab, or go live. So recently I was on a photo shoot with this little bad boy combination right here, the Canon R5 and the 50mm, I guess nifty 50 pancake lens that we are used to from previous EF models. This is the RF edition of the lens. We've done videos on that. I'm going to leave it in the corner so that way if you want to take a look at some of the other videos we've done on the RF mounts 50mm, you can definitely check those out. But what we do have brand new in the studio is this beast of a strobe light. This is the Westcott FJ400. And we just recently got that bad boy in this past weekend, and we went on a photo shoot, and I'm going to be showing you some sample images at the end. It's going to be about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes worth of images, so that way you can take a look and see what kind of images you can get with the conjunction of this strobe and this combination of camera and lens. More importantly, I think, is the strobe light, just the overall fall off that this light gives with the small octabox, the rapid box octabox, the small edition, which came in the entire kit. It was the strobe, the backpack, the octabox itself, and all the diffusion. So I'm going to leave links down below as well. We're going to talk a lot more about these lights in the next coming video, so be sure you are subscribed to the channel, and we're going to be doing a lot more videos with the Canon R5 as far as utilizing it as a portrait camera, as just taking pictures and just seeing the results you can get utilizing this strobe and that particular camera. So without further ado, I'm going to run some images right here. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll catch y'all in the next videos. Peace.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.